Let's talk about triggering a signal mute using an external relay. Common application for this would be a fire alarm condition where you want to have the signal through the BlueBridge muted while the alarm takes precedent, or any other time you'd want to temporarily mute the signal passing through a BlueBridge using a contact closure. This is a pretty simple thing to set up. We'll go ahead and just make a demonstration real quick. I have a BB1616 in my office, so I'll just map that physical device here. It's on the network. To add this in, we'll build a sample system where we've got a signal generator. And make myself a bit of room here. So we're going to generate a sine tone. We're going to add in a logic controlled mute. Put that in line. And we're going to give ourselves a RMS meter. This is just so you can play along and see what's taking place in there. We're also going to add an indicator in here. And the indicator is just so that you can see when I'm demonstrating this what's taking place. Last thing, of course, is the logic input itself. So we're going to create our signal path here. So the sine generator is going through the logic mute. It's also going into this RMS meter, which we'll be able to view the levels on. Logic input is connecting to the logic mute here. And I'm also going to go ahead and connect this indicator, so we'll be able to watch what's taking place when out here in the real world I'm physically connecting those two contacts. So this is a complete circuit as far as we need for this demonstration. We'll switch to online mode. So in here we can see that there's a RMS meter that's showing a level. That's the signal being generated by the sine tone passing through the logic mute, which is not triggered, and outputting to here, as well as outputting to output 1 if we had a speaker and amplifier connected to that. We also have an indicator. All this indicator tells us is whether or not logic input 1 is triggered. Now the inputs are on the back of the BlueBridge device. You can see this little block here. That's GG, ground, ground, 4321. You're just supplied with 2 grounds for convenience, since you might be using all 4 of these different logic inputs. What I'm going to do in the real world out here while I'm making this video is connect this ground with this number 1. Just have a little switch out here I can momentarily click. So back in BlueBridge Designer we can see that there's state is not on. We can see RMS meter level is showing up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the button. And you can see that this up here has gone to on. It's currently triggered. And you can see that we have a mute of the signal here. And now I'm going to let go of it, and that returns. Couldn't be much simpler. So that's how you create a logic controlled mute using BlueBridge. Hope this has been informative. Thanks.